Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Kia Carnival S, stock reference number 4496. This shape runs from the second month 2015 through to the third month 2018. It has a G6 DH 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6 DH 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand side and front. It's fitted with 17-inch steel rims. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.